Thank you. It's so inspiring to actually know someone that remembers whatever you have said, that they valued so much. So thank you, Audrey. Thank you so much.
Glenn, just a short farewell message.
Left my heart in Canada.
I know you have.
I'm sorry, Gabi. I'm such a bully. Sorry.
I will never forget that about you.
Wow!
Okay, so yeah, thank you for pointing us in the right direction and with your positioning skills.
Wow!
You're the only one that can do those kind of things.
Is it in a good sense or a bad sense? Positioning.
It's a good thing. Who's next?
Thank you.
Anne.
Oh my God, Antoinette, don't cry.
It's your turn!
Partner in crime.
My partner in crime. Every time she needs someone.
Yeah, it's for fight then, because you're one of my
No.
closest friends here in Singapore.
Iiyak na yan.
Thank you for being there for me and for lending me money.
Thank you for the Tokyo t-shirt. You see, the Disneyland shirt. I won't forget that.
No interest.
No interest, of course. Friends are friends.
Yes.
Before you
Thank you, Glenn.
Yes!
next.
Daphne! Oh my God, my neighbor.
My neighbor that hindi ko nakaka-bonding. I haven't
English.
bonded with. Okay, but in the office, I always see you. I enjoy your sarcasm, actually.
I thought no
Yeah.
one enjoys it.
I enjoy your sarcasm. So, good luck and unfollow you.
Bad! Don't follow!
15 days will follow.
Very well said.
Romeo!
Sorry.
I want to hear Romeo. Yun! My protege.
Well, thank you for those tips. I mean, tips for, you know, how to bully the customer.
How to bully one-on-one.
It's always effective. You know, we're